Do this once a year and your roof could last 5 years longer. A little roof maintenance goes a long way in Florida's tough climate. Here are 5 simple steps to help you extend the life of your roof and avoid costly repairs. Tip number 1, keep your gutters clean. When gutters get clogged, water has nowhere to go and can back up under your roof, causing leaks and wood rot. Clean them at least twice a year and more often during hurricane season when debris piles up fast. Tip number 2, trim back those trees. Overhanging branches don't just drop leaves on your roof. They can rub against shingles, crack tiles, or even fall during storms. Keeping trees cut back protects your roof and reduces debris. Tip number 3, check your flashing and seals. Flashing around chimneys, skylights, and vents is one of the first places Florida storms will find a weakness. If you see cracked sealant or rust, it's time for a repair before water gets inside. Tip number 4, clear debris off your roof. Leaves, moss, and sticks might seem harmless, but they trap moisture against the roof's surface. That moisture can lead to mold, rot, and premature wear. And finally, tip number 5, schedule regular professional inspections. Even if your roof looks fine from the ground, a trained eye can spot hidden storm damage or early signs of wear. We recommend at least 1 inspection a year and always after a major storm. Taking care of your roof doesn't have to be complicated, but it does pay off. A little prevention today can save you thousands tomorrow. At Pinnacle Roofing Group, we're here to make maintenance easy. Call us today for a free roof inspection, and we can keep your home storm ready year after year.